What's the difference between regular tobacco and shisha? In order to understand, allow me to demonstrate by deconstructing a cigar. I'd like you to notice that shisha is a bright blonde color when it's not dyed. This is because all blonde leaf shisha flavors begin as Virginia Flue-Cured tobacco, which is the lightest and least nicotine strain available. While cigars come in many different shades of brown as they're untreated and tend to utilize stronger, more potent strains. Since what's most sought after by tobacco connoisseurs is that potent natural tobacco flavor. As we deconstruct, we see that a cigar consists of three main components: the wrapper leaf, which holds the cigar in shape; the binder leaf, which binds the wrapper to the filler; and the filler, which may or may not be a concoction of various tobacco types to give it the particular flavor, mouthfeel, and strength that was intended for it given its kind. To show the difference, we must understand that those who enjoy shisha are not interested in the tobacco flavor of the plant. In fact, manufacturers go to great lengths utilizing various processes to remove that aspect. A typical method is called washing, where the tobacco leaf goes through a heated water bath in order to extract its flavor along with all its nutrients, nicotine, and toxins. Again, keep in mind that shisha tobacco is already the lightest strain of tobacco available. Demonstrating a simplified version of this process, I take boiled water and pour it over filler tobacco, and we see a visual of what happens during the washing phase. Just like tea leaves, everything is extracted into the water and all that remains is the blank leaf that's essentially been ruined. A tobacco connoisseur would not touch this end product because it's devoid of its flavor, its nicotine and essence, which is exactly what we need in order to prepare the leaf to absorb the flavoring, VG, and molasses in order to create shisha. Shisha is not tobacco as we know it to be.